Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. This is Ayo, the General TV. In this episode, we are going to look at what the coverage model is in Python. So, coverage.py actually measures code coverage in Python programs, identifying which parts are executed during testing and which remain also untested. This tool actually tracks which lines run during tests, highlighting untested code parts to help create more comprehensive test suites and improve reliability. This was created by Ned Batchelder in 2004. It has become the standard for Python code coverage analysis with broad integration across testing frameworks. So we'll look at next how to use the coverage.py and actually its key features. So the advanced features of this is branch coverage detection with --branch flag, and then configuration via convec files, coverage files, and then we also have the sub process and also concurrency support. There's coverage exclusion patterns for boilerplate code. So here's a block of code here. Do test this out in your IDE. Let us know how it went. So it has a coverage goal of about 95%, as most professional teams aim for 80 to 95% code coverage as quality benchmark. It was first released in 2004 and has been refined through the years of development. It has two coverage types, which measure both coverage and also branch coverage for comprehensive analysis. So that's it for this module. This one, do well to test this in your IDE. Let's know how it went. Thank you for watching this video.